Hello, Flamingos! Alright, this is your introduction for your sort this week. I wanted to make you a video like we did during distance learning because we were not able to be together yesterday, Monday, in school because it was a holiday. And I want you to successfully be able to practice your sort this today, Tuesday, at home. So, this week we are working on some patterns that I like to call Bossy R. So the Bossy R means that the R makes the vowels in front of it make a different sound for most of them than you're used to. They don't follow the same rules as other patterns that we've learned. So we have 4 different Bossy R patterns. The first one is words that have an AR. Now, for all these patterns, it might have the vowel in the R might have the pattern at the end of the word, or it could be in the middle of the word. But just any word that has an AR. I like to say this is the pirate noise. When you hear a pirate, they say, "Arr." Try making the AR pirate noise with me. Arr. Good job. Then we have this pattern IR, and I call this one the confused sound. This is the sound you might make if you're not sure how to read a word. You might say, or you're not sure how to answer a question. Try making the IR, the confused sound with me. See how so far these don't sound like what you would think an A or an I would be? That's why we call it Bossy R, because that R makes the vowels make a totally different noise than we're used to. So we have AR, the pirate noise, R. IR, the confused sound, Next we have the pattern OR. For this one, all you do is read the word OR. What does that say? That's right, or. So this one makes the OR sound. This one's kind of confusing because even though it makes a long O sound, these words won't necessarily have an E on the end or follow any of those long O patterns. And then last pattern is UR, and this one makes the confused sound again. So it says Good. Okay, so we have AR, make the pirate noise. R. Great job. IR, make the confused noise. Good. OR, just read it. Or. Good. And UR, make the confused noise. Good job. Notice 2 of our patterns, they look different, but they make the same sound. Which 2 patterns make the same sound? That's right. IR and UR both make the confused sound. Good. All right, let's sort some words. So which words do you see that have the AR, the pirate noise? We have first, burn, swirl, porch, dark, north, curb, and sharp. There should be 2. Did you find them? Good. Dark. Hear how it has the pirate noise? And sharp. Also the pirate noise. Very good. Okay, how about the IR? Which words would go in this group? Remember, it makes the confused sound. Should be 2 again. Nice job. First and swirl. Good job. Okay, how about the OR? Remember, just read it. Or. Which 2 words go in this group? That's right. Porch, porch, and north. Good. And then last, there's only 2 words left, but which words go in the UR? Remember, it makes the confused sound. Good. You can read these. Burn, and curb. Great job. So one more time, what does the AR say? R. Good job. What does the IR say? Good. What does the OR say? Or. And what does the UR say? Good job. For an extra challenge this week, I would like to challenge you to ask mom and dad to give you the words in the IR and the UR group, and for you to try to spell them. You'll know that it's an I or an R because it makes the sound, but the challenge will be, can you memorize which ones have the IR and which ones have the UR. Because there isn't a fancy trick or rule that I can teach you. As grown-ups, we've just had to memorize which ones are spelled with IR and which ones are spelled with UR. So as an extra challenge, maybe towards the end of the week on Thursday or Friday even, ask mom or dad to read you words in the IR and UR group and see if you can brave spell them on your own. Well, I shouldn't say brave spell because you know how to do it. See if you can spell them on your own and sort them which ones go in which group, which one is the IR, which one's UR, even though they sound the same. Great job, Flamingos. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.